Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Khullar. Together, we are going to make today oats and coconut laddus. Laddus आपको भी पसंद हैं और मुझे भी. But what I've done over here is try to find a way so that I can eat more than one and not feel as guilty about it. The solution? Oats or coconut ke laddus. The first thing we're going to do is cook the oats. अब oats तो डाल दिया है. अब इसके अंदर we're going to put some coconut milk. That's where we're going to get all that lovely coconut flavor from. Okay, now let's mix it around a bit. And we are going to add a little more water to this. Coconut जितना डालना था डाल दिया. And I'm going to put in some raisins now. और इसके बाद some lovely aromatic इलायची का पाउडर. और इसके बाद दालचीनी का पाउडर और सिनेमन पाउडर. अब इसको हम थोड़ा सा मिक्स करेंगे. And then we'll put in some almonds. This needs a little more water, so मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा और पानी डालूंगा और इसको थोड़ा सा और कुक करेंगे. This smells really good. अब इसमें आमंड से पहले ना थोड़ा चीनी डाल देते हैं. After all, लड्डू supposed to be sweet, yes? अब हम इसको थोड़ी देर पकने देंगे. Okay, so now we need to cut these almonds into thin slivers. It is well done now. लेकिन एक बात और याद रखिएगा that the right consistency will come इसके ठंडे होने के बाद. इसलिए जब हल्का सा गीला है ना तो उसी समय आंच बंद करके उसको थोड़ा ठंडा होने दीजिए. Now my oats is cooked. It smells absolutely wonderful. और अब इसको कढ़ाई से निकालकर प्लेट में डालेंगे so that it can cool down a little bit. Cool होने के बाद step 2, make the laddus. Now I'm going to flatten this out slightly so that it cools a little faster. Time to roll the laddus. तो सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा desiccated या dried coconut powder हम इस प्लेट पे डालेंगे और इसके अंदर हम लड्डूस को रोल करेंगे after we have shaped them. And actually, you know what? I don't even think it needs to be perfect rounds. After all, these are handmade, aren't they? लगना भी तो चाहिए, हाथ से बनाया है. So there you go. We just made some lovely, delicious oats and coconut ke laddu. From a taste point of view, they're quite interesting because they've got that crunch coming from the almond. They've got sweetness. They've got a very different texture जो oats से आ रहा है, plus the little bits of chewiness coming in from the raisins. And from a health point of view, they're a little better than the normal ones. Because पहले तो they don't have as much ghee and fat as the traditional laddus use. Number 2, the kind of carbs that we're using in this are called slower carbs than we otherwise find in traditional laddus. And number 3, थोड़ा सा extra fiber है. Just go on ahead and have one more with me. and welcome to The Foodie. Today, you and I are going to make some coconut-filled chocolate chunks. These coconut-filled chocolate chunks are delicious. They only use 3 ingredients: chocolate, coconut, and a sweetener. That's it. You can make them really fast, and if you're wondering what they're doing on this series, they're an indulgence. And being healthy is being balanced. So just have half a day, all right? I'm going to start by chopping some chocolate और उसके बाद उसको melt करेंगे. I'm using this electronic gadget to melt my chocolate. If you don't have one of these, you can do it in 2 ways. Number 1, 10-second bursts in a microwave. And number 2, a double boiler setup. In the microwave, be careful not to let the temperature go too high. And in the double boiler setup, जहाँ पर नीचे steam होगा और ऊपर एक पतीला होगा, be careful not to let any water enter your chocolate. नहीं तो बिल्कुल solid हो जाएगा वो और आपको फिर से शुरू करना पड़ेगा. My chocolate is melted and I'm going to start lining the bottom of the molds with the melted chocolate. Now I have some desiccated coconut over here. और this coconut को I'm going to put it into this bowl and mix it with some light corn syrup. Another reason why indulgences like this can be considered as part of a healthy lifestyle is because if we start making them ourselves, we won't go that many times to the market. We really won't even have them that often अगर खुद बनाना पड़े तो. So each time you want a chocolate like this, make it yourself. And here I have some light corn syrup. इसके बाद स्पैचुला उठाएं और मिक्स करें. अब हम बनाएंगे इस कोकोनट मिक्सचर के साथ टिक्कीज. And these tikkies are going to be square because my mold is also square. So what we have to check here is the width and the height. Is that okay? Will it fit inside the mold? And number 2 is the thickness. Works fine. Now I'm going to put this on a plate and make a few more tikkies like this. Now we'll put the tikkies of coconut into the mold. Now that the coconut tikkies have been placed, we're going to put some chocolate on top of it to cover it and surround it. We have finished filling the molds with the chocolate, and now we have to keep the mold somewhere cool where it can set. To unmold these, we're going to gently press at the bottom and push the chocolate out like that. This is what we need to make sure of that it doesn't happen, which is why I wanted to make sure that the chocolate fills all sides of the coconut filling. And there you have your very own homemade coconut-filled chocolate chunks. But just remember, दिन में एक से ज़्यादा मत खाइएगा.
Coconut is a superfood and we generally add a dash of it to most of the things that we cook in the South Indian cuisine. But today, we'll make a sweet dish that is made majorly out of coconut. Yes, I'm talking about the coconut barfi. Generally, coconut barfi freshly grated coconut से बनाई जाती है. But right now I'm out of those, तो मैं ये बनाने वाली हूँ desiccated coconut से. तो desiccated coconut को कम से कम आधे घंटे के लिए हमें गर्म दूध, हल्के गर्म दूध में भिगो के रखना पड़ता है. उसके बाद इसका टेक्सचर लगभग फ्रेश कोकोनट के जैसा हो जाता है. बर्फी बनाने की शुरुआत करते हैं. एक पैन में मैं लूँगी थोड़ा सा घी. घी मेल्ट होने पे मैं इसमें डालूंगी कोकोनट. इसको मैंने दूध में भिगो के रखा था. I'll gently toast it for around 3 to 4 minutes. 2 से 3 मिनट हो चुके हैं. The coconut has started getting really nicely roasted and I can already get the flavor. To this, I'll add some regular sugar. The moment you add sugar, turn the heat down. The chances of this getting burned are higher once the sugar is added. अब इसे मुझे पकाना है करीब 20 से 25 मिनट के लिए लगातार चलाते हुए. 20 से 25 मिनट के बाद शक्कर पूरी तरह से मेल्ट हो जाएगा and the coconut will start leaving the sides of the pan. फ्लेवर देने के लिए मैं इसमें डालती हूँ इलायची पाउडर, that's cardamom. It's been around 25 minutes and as you can see, the mixture has started separating from the pan. Another 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll apply some ghee to a plate. You can also use butter. You know, to make this recipe vegan, instead of adding ghee, you could add some coconut cream. I absolutely love the tropical vibe that the coconut brings in. All right, this mixture is ready. अब मैं इसको इस प्लेट में डाल के ठंडा होने के लिए छोड़ दूंगी. पूरी तरह से ठंडा होने के बाद मैं इसको बर्फी की तरह काट लूंगी. एक बात जो ध्यान रखने वाली है वो है ये कि इस मिक्सचर को ठंडा होने से पहले नहीं काटें. Using a spatula because right now the mixture is pretty hot. All right, it's flattened. You can obviously top it with some rose petals, dried fruits, anything of your choice, but I feel coconut is just good enough on its own. So I'm going to let this cool for another 20 minutes and then cut it into barfis and share and enjoy with my family.
Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Bean series. Today, you and I are going to make a somewhat sweet but very refreshing and delicious coconut and chia seed pudding. Alright, now tell me this. How would you like to have dessert for breakfast? You can, because this pudding which we're going to have, it has your calcium, it has your protein, it has some fat, it has some phosphorus, it has your magnesium, it has your manganese, it has a whole bunch of things that you should really start your day with. So let's start with how we can start our day with dessert. This recipe is only going to take you 5 minutes to make. I have here some coconut milk. Just put in the sugar. Step 2. Now since this is a chia seed pudding, we're going to need some chia seeds. Alright, step 3. Mix the lot. When you're mixing these, make sure you mix them really well because chia seeds have a tendency to clump together. We'll keep this aside for a while क्योंकि ये seeds ना थोड़े से फूलेंगे, थोड़े से मुलायम हो जाएंगे. And while they'll still have the crunch, they will expand to fill up the bowl. Now, while that happens, let's chop some fruits. The first thing we're going to do is chop some strawberries. Our coconut chia seed mixture has been sitting outside for a while and it has become nice and thick. अगर आपको इससे कम गाढ़ा चाहिए, add a little less chia seeds or add a little more coconut milk. Now all we have to do is put some into this. एक बिल्कुल नीचे, उसके ऊपर आएगा एक fruits का layer. थोड़ा सा और डाल देते हैं ताकि the layer becomes nice and thick. इसको ज़्यादा मत दबाइएगा. We don't want it to go between the layers. And now we're done with one, it's time to fill the other jar. If you want to add some extra texture to this, you can think about adding some nuts to this. Now some succulent, sweet and tangy strawberries. Now we'll top it up with some more chia seed and coconut mixture. And we're done and we only need to top this with some grapes. लेकिन इस बार हम लाल वाले grapes यूज करेंगे इसके ऊपर. So So here we are, a lovely coconut and chia seed pudding. The best part about this is that it's so versatile. अगर आपको और layers चाहिए, तो take a taller glass and add more layers to it. If you'd like some more texture, add some nuts in there. You want more flavor, add different types of fruits, whatever you like. At the end of the day, this is healthy, this is nutritious, and like I said, a brilliant sweet start to your day. And while you contemplate that, I'm going to finish this.